Welcome back. You're watching Mirror now. In a big development, the Maharashtra Speaker has directed an SIT to probe the allegations that Manoj Jarange Patil allegedly made about Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis trying to eliminate him.
त्यामुळे अध्यक्ष महोदय आपण एसआयटी सांगितली आहे, एसआयटी तयार होईलच, पण मला मनोज जरांगे पाटलांची काही घेणं देणं नाही. त्याच्या पाठीमागे बोलविता धनी शोधून काढला. जी स्क्रिप्ट त्या ठिकाणी बोलली गेली, काही लोक रोज ती स्क्रिप्ट बोलतात आणि ती स्क्रिप्ट त्यांच्याकडनं येते. आणि हे जे आता ज्या लोकांनी अध्यक्ष महोदय या ठिकाणी सांगितलंय की आम्हाला कोणी कोणी काय काय सांगितलं, साहेब वॉर रूम कोणी उघडल्या माहिती आम्हाला, आता मिळाली आहे माहिती. वॉर रूम कुठे कुठे संभाजीनगरला कोणी उघडली, नवी मुंबईला पुण्याला कोणी उघडली माहिती आहे आमच्याकडे सगळी. करू सगळी चौकशी करून हे षडयंत्र बाहेर काढलं जाईल.
And now, just a day after Maratha activist Manoj Jarange Patil called off his hunger strike, the SIT has also been directed to conduct an investigation into the violence that took place in the name of reservation. Yesterday, a bus was torched in Jalna. Beyond this, the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi staged protests at the staircase of the State Assembly over the law and order situation in the state. The opposition leaders were seen holding toy guns and raising slogans against the government. Remember, activist Manoj Jarange Patil had been holding a hunger strike since 10th of February to intensify the community's demand for a quota in government and education jobs. The Maharashtra government has passed a bill to provide 10% quota to the Maratha community, but Manoj Jarange Patil says it's not what they've been demanding. He stated that the demands that need to be fulfilled are, number one, that certificates are provided to blood relatives of Kunbi Marathas. The quota given to Marathas be from the OBC category and not a separate one altogether.